Wait. Good evening, sir. Uh, Good evening, Kush. How are you? Hello, good evening to all. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
definitely.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for joining, and we'll start with a wonderful remedy, sarsaparilla. Can you able to see my PPTs?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Just a second. Yeah. So good evening to all, and we'll start with a very nice case. And it is 7:08 now at this moment. So be active to learn homeopathy, and we'll study from a case of a very nice case I had when I was doing rather learning from Sir's book on plant, and this patient of mine came, and that was very revealing case of sarsaparilla. So it is a case of a young girl who came for the treatment of acne, and she had taken treatment from many dermatologists, and she had a recurrent urinary tract infection with chills and several cracks in the skin. I got this case which I have told you that when I was reading the newer understanding of plant sensation of Sir's book. And so the first question was, just tell me about your complaint. So she said, they are very much troublesome, and I tried many dermatologists for the same. I have come to you so that it can be cured from the roots. जड़ मूल से निकल जाए इसलिए मैं आपके पास आई हूँ. That was the patient what she said at that time. And the question asked again, what is the effect of the problem on you and mentally and emotionally? This is my favorite question which I asked to the patient, and she said, I'm much disturbed and very angry as I've tried all possible treatment for the same, but it is not going. So she was very anguish about the complaint, and she was very troubled about the acne which she was having it, and the focus of the complaint was on the acne itself and not about the urinary tract or the skin problem. The main focus was on the acne. So the quick repetition was done, and there was the rubric. We have the rubric on the complete face eruption acne and mind anguish. So that was the present totality of that movement itself. So it is a risky part to do it, but if you are mastering on it, it will work very well for you. It is the time being totality of that phase. So the remedy at that part was the aurum. So don't be prejudiced. This is the way to enter into the realm of the cases which we are doing since 20 years. So if you are novice, it is a warning that you should not do it in the initial practice, but if you start doing it, you will get lot many insight into a different remedies. So you learn many remedies, but be patient in understanding. So now the case goes. What is your basic nature? My basic nature is to remain quiet. So this was very important again in the case always, but I get disturbed with my face acne, which are not going. Again, the same focus comes to the acne, and I have tried to remove them, but they are not going. So that was a lot of anguish that she was having it about the face acne, which were not going in, and she told about her nature, which was white. So we have rubric there also. So further question was asked, uh, what is the problem if they are not doing it? So she said, not going means it looks dirty and my face doesn't look good. When anyone sees my face, they say, कुछ इसका करती क्यों नहीं हो? So that makes me so irritated. Although it is small thing for other people, but it is a very big thing for me. Yeah. And what other things makes you irritated? Uh, Now this is very important about her case, and it was after my rejection from my best boyfriend who was going to propose me for the marriage, and this acne spoiled it. So this was the reason of spoiling her marriage, and the boyfriend was about to propose her, and she landed up with this problem of acne, and that was very irritable for her. And quick repetition was done, and here's the rubric. This is the rubric. Mind quiet disposition, irritable trifles about. So this was the rubric taken at that time. And now for the question I asked, tell me about this relationship, because he spoke about the boyfriend relationship. So I took up the last part and gave her the question that was, tell me about this relationship. We were in relationship with each other since our school days and then the college days. We used to read and eat and dance together, but suddenly he was about to propose me and I shouted at him. And this was the thing which happened in the relationship, and she shouted at him and she stopped. There was a pause. So I asked her about shouting. So shouting means he is proposing me, but he is not seeing my face acne. That's what she pointed out. She He is proposing me, but he is not looking at my face about acne, and he is blind in my love. But before husband-wife relationship, we are first boyfriend and a girlfriend only. She paused again. That was the thing at that time. And then the proposalization, as you know, it happened, and the shrieking, screaming, shouting again. So rubric was taken. So what is the problem and the feeling? The problem is my acne, and I want to clear them off, and I'm more concerned about my face than my relationship of husband and wife. That was the thing which she told us at that time. So I asked her, what is the feeling? The feeling was, what she was feeling was unfortunate. कम नसीब ऐसा मुझे feeling होता है. That's the feeling that she was having it. My old friend have a good face without acne, and I have this face. And she pointed out to the face. So gestures were there pointing her face, and face was a problem because of the acne. So what's the feeling and reaction of not able to cure the acne? So, and now we have the hypotization, the feeling of being unfortunate. So these are where the drugs of unfortunate feeling, and then we'll move further. Severe disappointment and wanted to break something. I used to think that the disease cannot be cured at once, and she went into a lot of disappointment and wanted to break things, and she used to think that my disease it cannot be cured. That was the feeling that was coming in her mind. What exactly you did in that situation the most? I wanted to shut the door of my room loudly to remove my frustration of this condition. So this was the reaction of the problem which she was facing, the problem of acne, and she was very disappointed about her condition, and she was feeling that the disease would be uncurable. And in the frustration, she wanted to slam the door of the room. Now I had one another case, my student knows it, and there are two remedies slamming the doors in frustration is calcarea brome and calcarea floor also. I can show you this in the complete repertory, and we have this remedy also. So then I asked the second complaint, what about your second complaint of urinary tract infection? It is also there since long. When I have infection, I feel cold and lot of shaking during urination. That's what she told at that time. And the repetition was done. Mind despair of recovery, slams the door, desire to. Now, this is very important. Slamming part was the reaction to the problem. Now, we should pick up the reaction part also to understand the core of the remedy. Then the chill urination during. That's the rubric taken. And now you can see the remedy coming up. The Sarsaparilla, Nux vomica, Kalias. And now further what we did. Now what type of dream do you get? This was the question. And she said, I get frequent dreams of water. Now this is very important of liliaceae. And liliaceae we have veretum viridi for dream drowning also. Remember liliaceae has lot of dreams of water. So this makes very important symptom when patient says look for liliaceae also. Don't be prejudiced. See other remedies also. So what in the dream? As if I am falling in the water from a high place. That was the feeling in the dream. And any other dream that you see, yes, she said about my dearest Dadima who died many years from now. And she was dreaming about her Dadima who died many years from now. And what do you like in food and drink? She desired very cold water and fruits I like the best. That the what she liked, right? The further repetition was done, and we have the rubric there. Food, drink, cold, drink desire, and uh, food desire also, right? We missed the dream of the water. So dream of water was also taken, and then the totality and dream, yeah, dream water falling, dream dead people off, despair of recovery, slams the door, chill urination during shrieking, shouting loud, shouting, mind quiet disposition, irritable trifles about face eruption, acne, mind anguish, mind unfortunately feels wonderful remedy is saparilla. You can see the remedy coming up by totality of different sector. Now this is sector totality and the totality of a whole patient which came up to the remedy sarsaparilla. Now sarsaparilla was given in 6 potency and my student knows we prescribed 6 for the skin complaint. Although it was an emotional problem with skin level, I started with 6 potency, 3 dose in water, and 5 cup method was not taken in this, and Sackless was given for 15 days. The follow-up was after 15 days. She was much better in the acne and no dreams of water and about the Dadima, and there was a reduction in chill and shivering. During was also reduced. The step up potency was given to Sarsaparilla 30 for 30 days again, just a dose of a Sarsaparilla 30. Follow up after 30 days, she came running into my clinic with box of sweet, further much better in the acne and no dreams at all, and good relationship. with my boyfriend what she told at that time and planning to get married. Uh, the urinary complaints are much better and raised the potency to 200 and Saclec was given for 30 days. The follow-up after 30 days, almost all complaint gone. This was a wonderful case which I learned at that time when we were reading Plants Understanding by Dr. Sankaran about the Liliaceae, the Lilifloraceae. We'll go into the detail of the Liliaceae family, and there are a hell lot of remedies from this Liliaceae. Basically, it is monocotyledon, and we see what are the remedies there. Now, the plant kingdom, as you know, cryptogamy, which is seedless, Bryophyta and Pteridophyta. Bryophytas are mosses, which has no roots, and ferns with roots. Then, then pheronograms, which is the seed bearing. It is gymnosperm and angiosperm. The gymno matlab naked, angio matlab flowering. And this angiosperm is divided into monocotyledon and dicotyledon. This monocotyledon, we have it now. I'll show you many remedies of this monocotyledon. Now the scientific classification of Plantae, the tracheophytes, angiosperms, monocots, the order Liliaceae. Now they are calling the family of Smilaceae and genus Smilex, and the species is Smilex regale. Now this is important, which is not written anywhere. It is there in very good book on plant. So remember this plant of sarsaparilla is called Smilex regale now. Now it is from the Smilaceae, right? So remember smile and Smilaceae and sarsaparilla. So the family is Smilaceae. This is to be corrected, and we'll see in detail what is Plantae. Now these are the Plantae given by Copland in 1956. These are the plants. Now, very interesting about the Plantae, we have tracheophytes. Now, these tracheophytes are the vascular duct plants, and which are similar to trachea, which is tubular, tube-like. You can see this is the tube which is coming up, and this is the nutrition which is given to the plant, and which looks like a trachea, right? So that's why they are called tracheophytes. And in this tracheophytes, we have club mosses, and you know what is club mosses. Any example you know is Lycopodium. And then it is, we have horsetail, then we have ferns, and then we have gymnosperms and the angiosperms, right? In under the heading of tracheophytes, which are all the vascular plants and tracheophytes similar to a trachea. This is very, very important here. And then we have the genus club moss, the Lycopodiaceae, the Lycopodium clavatum. This is the plant of Lycopodium clavatum. This is Lucus. Lyco is divided in Lucus, which is wolf, and podium is the foot. This is how the Lycopodium is being divided into these two parts. What is the meaning? This is the meaning. This is the meaning of Lycopodium. And this Lycopodiaceae comes under Tracheophytaceae. See the similarity between these two plants. Just have a look. Very nice it is. So it is very, very primitive plant, our Lycopodium. So as you know, it was told by Dr. Sarkar that was a very small plant. It was a very big plant, which in the course becomes small. So they have desire to grow. We have rubric for that. So Lycopodium comes from the club moss, and you can see the division. Then comes the angiosperms and the flowering plants. You can see the flower which is coming up, and many flowering plants. And now very important is wheat, Triticum aestivum, जो हम रोज खाते हैं. रोटी जिसकी खाते हैं वो मोनोकोटिलीडॉन है, and they are the biggest source of carbohydrate. And it is a research done by many scientists responsible for high level of diabetic, and this is the remedy for diabetes also. And Jan Scholten and many other homeopaths are working on the role of wheat for treatment of diabetes. We have jowar, we have wheat, which have the potent to produce diabetic changes, and this is the remedy which can be used for treatment of diabetes. This is monocotyledon. Remember this, very, very important. It is very, very important slide of understanding the wheat, the role of wheat in diabetes, right? Then comes the Liliaceae. Liliaceae is the order of monocotyledon plant in Angiosperm phylogeny. Now you can see the Liliaceae. This is the primitive Liliaceae plant from which the Liliaceae or the Lily floraceae comes, right? This is important again. Then comes the Smilaceae. अभी sarsaparilla को Smilaceae के अंदर रखा हुआ है, and this is the Smilaceae. Then comes the Smilac aspera. You can see the berry very interestingly. And then comes our Jamaica or Honduras variety of sarsaparilla. And I'll show you the video of this sarsaparilla. And the sarsaparilla comes from the Spanish word which means zarza parilla. Zarza matlab kaante wala shrub. Parilla matlab little grapevine. And we see little video, very interesting it is. So let's start. And I'll show you the honeyman's understanding about sarsaparilla. Just a second.
So this little bunch of plants right here in front is wild sarsaparilla, aka the root beer plant. This is the plant where today's root beer drink basically originated from. For thousands of years, the native inhabitants used the root of this plant to make a very strong flavored drink, and hence the name root beer. So a very mature sarsaparilla plant, as seen here, will divide 3 times. So here's the main rootstock right here.
The rootstock there. The rhizome.
Here's where it divides 3 times, and then again at full maturity, dividing anywhere from 3 to 5 separate leaflets here. These leaflets look almost identical to hickory leaf in some ways, although it has fooled people into thinking it's some kind of a small sapling. Sarsaparilla leaves are very fish-shaped. They are oblongated and then reach their widest point about 2/3 of the way up, coming to an outward tip. It's a very, very finely serrated leaf, and it's quite large. I've seen them as wide as 5 centimeters, 5 to 7 centimeters, and anywhere from 7 to 12 centimeters long. They have a strong vein running up the middle, and then these veins branching out from the center vein and steeply upward out to the tips of the serrations. Now, paying attention to the main useful part of this plant, this root that you see here runs all the way underground into rhizomes, which are roots This plant
तुम्ही काही देख रहे हो पण
big
नव्हतं
forest floor.
बेवकूफ इंसान हो यार एक नंबर के
तू काही टेन्शन नको घेऊ करू मी
They like rich trees, although they don't mind conifer, which are needled trees. They prefer park.
अब खुद के तरह ढकने ले हो ना मेरे इधर से ले रहे हो तो
Can you able to see the video?
Yes, sir.
Now see the berries. Very, very important. The berries. Berries. This is rhizome. This is for drink and tea is for. So the video that we have for sarsaparilla, and we'll move to the slide again. As I've told you, the word Spanish word for sarsaparilla is zarzaparilla. Zarza means the bramble. Bramble means the prickly shrub, and parilla means little grapevine that you have seen in the video. And it is used to flavoring the liquor part. And this remedy is being used by Dr. Hanuman in its proving, and we'll see the proving of Dr. Hanuman. And there are other Liliaceae in the family. They are Agraphis newton from Hyacinthaceae, APG-asparacea. Then we have Alatris farinosa, the woman uterine tonic, and from Milianthaceae. Then we have Allium cepa, the onion. Then we have Allium sativa, and according to APG tree, they are Emeraldiaceae, and Allium trichomum is wild onion, Allium ursicum is wild garlic that we see in the market. If you go to the market, you can see both the varieties, the wild onion and the wild garlic. Then we have very interesting about the remedy Aloe socotrina from Xanthoraceae. Now this is important. Xanthoraceae, we have many plants coming from Xanthoraceae, and further we have Amaryllis officinalis from Asparagaceae. Then we have Colchicum autumnale, sensitive to rudeness aggravation. Rudeness aggravation is the essence of Colchicum. Remember Colchicum, rudeness aggravation. Now we have the convallaria, the effect on the heart from Asparagaceae. Then we have Corydalis australis, the agave plant. Agaveaceae, now it is in Asparagaceae. Then very interesting is Crocus, the Caesar from Iridaceae, and Galanthus nivalis from Everlaceae. These are the 14 plants. There are almost 35 plants. So we'll see. It is Helonius dioica. हमने पहले किया हुआ है Helonius dioica from Milianthaceae. Then we have Iris rectissima. This is the remedy given in Boric. Read this remedy from Boric. Wonderful remedy we have is Iris florentina, Iris fitissima, Iris tenax, the remedy for appendicitis. Appendicitis, very nice remedy for appendicitis, and I have been cured with this remedy. So I remember it's almost 15-20 years back. So I had a problem with appendicitis, and one of my sir gave Iris tenax. Till now I remember, and I was totally cured. And then we have Iris versicolor, the remedy, bilious remedy with lot of acidity there, and fastidious like arsenic also fastidious. So we have fastidious remedy Iris versicolor. I have the case. So Lilium candidum, then Lilium superbum, then Lilium lancifolium, that is Lilium teak, and the Liliaceae. Then we have 20. Then Narcissus. Narcissus are the daffodils. Then we have very nice remedy Ornithogalum umbulatum. It is also called Star of Bethlehem, and it is a batch flower remedy and used for CA pylorus. So it is the cancer remedy given in our Codex Mathematica. Then comes the Perispodifolia, which is famous for garrulus, and garrulus with ego, that is the Perispodifolia. Then we have Ruscus aculatus from Liliaceae, and it is under the Asperaceae. Then we have Sabadilla. We had done Sabadilla in our classes from the Milianthaceae. Then comes the Sarsaparilla from Smilex regale. Remember this Smilex regale?
सर
Yeah,
ये आपने पेरिस
yeah,
क्वाड्रिफोलिया में गैरुलस लिखा है, उसका मीनिंग?
हाँ, गैरुलस मतलब जैसे लोकेसिटी आता है ना, वैसे ही गैरुलस होता है, बार बार कुछ बात को बोलते जाना, दैट इज गैरुलसिटी ऑफ द पेरिस्पोडिफोलिया. अगर पेरिस्पोडिफोलिया को आइडेंटिफाई करना हो तो दे विल टॉक अबाउट देयर ओन सेल्फ इन द ग्रुप. सपोज 4-5 जन खड़े हुए हैं तो गेरिलस बिहेवियर में अपनी बातें बहुत ही करते हैं. वन ऑफ माय केसेस हु वर टॉकिंग अबाउट द मिलिट्री पर्सन ही वाज, एंड बोलता मैंने ये किया वो किया, मैंने लड़ाई की, चाइना वॉर गया, ये समथिंग लाइक दैट. ही टॉक्स अबाउट हिज ओन achievements. That's the garrulousness of Perispordifolia. Clear, Tamanna Ben?
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Then we have Scilla Dreama maritima, and it is being confused with many remedies. So remember Scilla uh, maritima from aspiracy. These are the authentic source of the remedy from Liliaceae, and you can write it down. It's very, very important remedies. We have 35 Liliaceae remedies here. Then we have Trillium pendulum, the Liliaceae Trilliaceae. We have Veratrum album from Milianthaceae. Then we have Veratrum viridi. जो मैंने आपको बोला ना, dream of water, we have this dream of water in Veratrum viridi. Dream of drowning in water, drowning in water, drowning in water. Then we have Xanthoriaceae. Then about the bilious headache. This yucca is famous for pith karak headache complaint, and we are not using it. Liver with bilious complaint, bilious complaints. We have very nice remedies here, and we are not using it. Just read from Boric, and you will get the essence of Liliaceae. Then now we'll move to the flower essence. अभी बहुत ध्यान से सुनना. It is recommended for those who wish to prepare themselves for conception. मतलब कि जो couples who are not being fertile, this is the remedy from Liliaceae. We'll go for the conception. Those who find intimacy difficulty, for those struggling with the inner conflict between the sexual and the spiritual nature. Now this Liliaceae is the connection between the pious one of the spiritual and the sensual part. This is the connection. So Liliaceae remedies will connect to the sexual part and the spiritual part. That I'll show you with next slides, which is coming up. The Liliaceae clearly reflects the conflicts and adversity of man and woman of our times, but undergo the struggle of feminine